And I know you're probably asking, did you really paint your bathroom that color? And yes, I did. Hi guys, welcome to Be Thrifty 2. My name is Jasenia. Today I have a few more Pendant Light DIYs for you. I know I made one not too long ago with 2 wicker baskets. I'll link it up here just in case you missed it. But I think you're going to like at least one of them today. So let's get started. For this first pendant light, we are going to use this thrifted lampshade. This one is perfect because it has this large ring which holds the light cord very nicely. The first thing we're going to do is spray paint the inside a beautiful shade of gold. I'm going for a bit of a glam look for this one. The outside will be spray painted black. This is what it looks like after 3 coats. The fabric on this shade soaked up a lot of the paint. Next, we're going to add these leaves to the bottom portion of the shade. I got these stickers from the Dollar Tree before it became $1.25 tree. They're really pretty in gold, and the design feels very Art Deco to me, which I really like. Check out this dresser I did if you like Art Deco design. Okay, so we need Mod Podge, a brush, and of course scissors to cut out our leaves. I used 4 sheets to get the amount of leaves that I needed for this shade. Next, we're going to glue them on like so. This process took a long time, you guys. I'm ready for a break. And while I'm awkwardly and unattractively eating my sweet pineapples, let me tell you this video is part of the Keep It Simple Sunday playlist hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. And her co-host this month is That Crafting Lady. Go check them out when you are done watching my video. And please check out the playlist, which I will have listed down below in my description. All right, let's get back to work. I'm almost done here, guys. Just a few more leaves. And here's how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. Our next hanging light has more of an industrial look to it. We're going to use these wire baskets from the Dollar Tree. I got these last year and never used them until now. And this one is super simple. We're just going to bring these 2 baskets together with a few links from the chain. All you need is some pliers and some brute strength to get these open. I got 3 of them, and now we link each one of these loops on the baskets. Like this. And there you go. I also added some chain links to the top of this opening here because the opening is just too big for the head of the cord, and it just slips right off, like it doesn't stay on. So these links will help the basket stay on the head of the cord. And here's how it looks. Let me know if you're a fan of this look. I like it, but I think I want to add something more. We're going to cover the baskets in these pantyhose. Don't worry, they're clean and brand new. It was a bit more of a wrestling match getting these on, but I think I won. We're going to tuck the excess fabric and sew it in place like so. Now that both ends are done, we can hang it. I probably should have left an opening on the side here so I can fit my hand through and be able to put in the light bulb, but I didn't think about that until now, so... But thankfully my hand fits through the bottom opening. That's how small my hand is, guys. It just fits right in there. So if you are doing this, just make sure you leave an opening on the side so that your hand fits through, and then just sew it back up and it should be fine. Here's how this one turned out. I like it. I definitely like it better with the fabric. I think it gives it a more modern look, and the light bulb is not so exposed and in your face. So I really like it. Oh, and I want to thank all of you who participated in the last poll that I put up on my Instagram page, asking you guys what color do you think I was going to paint my new bathroom. And I want to thank all 5 of you for answering, for participating. If you are not following me on Instagram, please do, because I'm always asking you questions on there and you can participate. So why not, right? It's free. So here is the color I chose. It is called Black Garnet. And I know you're probably asking, did you really paint your bathroom that color? And yes, I did. I almost left this next hanging lamp out because I used a drill, and maybe not everybody has a drill. So, and I wanted to keep this as simple as possible. All the projects, I wanted them to be easy to do. But if you don't have a drill, girl, you should definitely get one. But honestly, I probably could have used a regular kitchen knife to cut the hole out of this bamboo bowl. It was very soft and it just peeled like onion rings. Very easy to do. After we clean it, we are going to spray paint it black. This is just the base, although I really wanted to keep it black. But we're going to try a different color. We're going to paint it green. This is leftover paint from my living room project. I'll link it up here in case you missed that one. Okay, let's let that dry and then we can hang it. Can you tell I really like this light bulb? It's huge. Here's how it turned out. I think this one might be my favorite because it has this retro 70s look to it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and I will see you next time. Let's keep being thrifty together. Bye.